Hi student. Now see next question number 3. Find the cofactor of the matrix, that is A is equal to 1 to 5 minus 8. Cofactor of a matrix. So first we have to find its minor and its cofactor. So first here we have elements. A11 is equal to 1. A12 2. A21 is equal to 5 and A22 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, minor of M11, minor of first element. So, how to find minor of an element? So, we have to delete the element Aij which lies in which row, that is ith row and jth column in which our element lies. So, the element 1 lies in first row and first column. So, if we deleting the first row and first column, then we get the minor minus 8. Next, M12, that is element 2 which lies in first row, second column. So first row and second column will get deleted. So minor is 5. Next M21 is equal to, that is we have to find minor of this 5. So which lies in first row, column and second row. So minor is 2. And last one, minor of M22 which lies in second row, second column. So minor of 8 is 1. Now we find its cofactor. A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11 minus 1 square, that is plus 1 and corresponding minor is minus 8. So 1 into minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Now next A12 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Take addition of this and j into M12. Now look at here, minus 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 cube into corresponding minor 5. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5. Next, A21 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. Minus 1 cube into value of M21 is 2. So again minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, then it is minus 2. Now A22 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. Minus 1 raised to 4. If it is odd, then it is 1, and if power is even. So if power is even, then it is plus 1, and if power is odd, then it is minus 1. Here power is even, so it is plus 1 and M22 is 1. Therefore it is 1. We have to write only cofactor matrix. Therefore comatric matrix Aij is equal to what? Minus 8, minus 5, then minus 2 and 1. This is a cofactor matrix of our first example. Now see, next matrix is there. Second matrix. Let us consider B. B is equal to 5, 8, 7 minus 1, minus 2, 1 minus 2, 1, 1. Now see, in 3 by 3 matrix, we have to take determinant while finding minus. First, A11 is equal to 5. Then M11 is equal to. मग आता M11 फाइंड करायचा. मग A11 कोणत्या रो आणि कॉलम मध्ये? फर्स्ट रो, फर्स्ट कॉलम. ती जर डिलीट राहिली तर काय होतं? -2 1 1. is equal to minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 1 into 1, 1. So minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. This is minor of first element. Next, A12 is equal to 8. Therefore, M12, deleting first row, second column. First row, second column. Then the remaining is minus 1, 1, minus 2, 1. कोणती रो डिलीट केली? फर्स्ट रो आणि सेकंड कॉलम. तो -1 -2 1. -1 into 1 -1 and here it is plus 2. Minus sign and minus 2, that is plus 2. Since it is plus 1. A13 is equal to 7. Therefore, M13. Now, we deleting first row and third column. First row, third column. Since the remaining determinant is minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1 is equal to minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Now here minus sign and the minus 2, that is plus 4. Since it is minus 5. Next, A21. A21 is minus 1. Therefore, M21. Now we deleting second row, first column. Second row and first column. So 8, 7, 1, 1. 8 into 1, 8 and 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now next A22 is minus 2. Then M22. Delete second row, second column. Second row delete झाली, second column delete झाला. काय झालं काय? 5, 7 minus 2, 1. 5, 7 minus 2, 1 is equal to 5 ones are 5 minus minus plus and 7 twos are 14. So 22. Next, A23 is equal to 1. Therefore, M23. Now we deleting second row and third column. Second row, third column. Then 5, 8 minus 2, 1. 5 to 1, 5 minus minus plus 8 twos are 16. That is 21. Now next see. A31. A31 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, M23. Now we delete third row and first column. Therefore, 8, 7 minus 2, 1. Check very carefully. M23, which lies in A31 here. We delete third row and first column. So this is our third row and this is first column. So remaining portion is 8, 7 minus 2, 1 is equal to 8 into 1, 8 minus minus plus and 7 twos are 41. 8 and 40, that is 22. A32, that is 2. So here we delete third row and second column. Third row, second column. Since 5, 7 minus 1, 1. 5 into 1, 5 minus minus plus 7. 5 plus 7, 12. And last element A33 is equal to 1. Therefore M33. We delete third row, third column. Third row, third column. 5, 8 minus 1 minus 2. 5 twos are minus 10. Here minus minus plus 8 is equal to minus 2. This is minor. Now we are going to find its cofactors. Therefore, A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Minus 1 square is 1. Value of M11 is minus 3. Therefore, cofactor of first element is minus 3. Now see next. A12 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12 minus 1 cube into M12 is 1. Since it is minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Next, A13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, 4 into M13. Minus 1 raised to 4 is 1 and M13 is equal to minus 5. Next, A1, A21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into m21 minus 1 raised to 3 since minus 1 and it is plus 1, therefore it is minus 1. a22 minus 1 raised to 4 into m22 minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 and this is 22. So a22 is 22. Next a23 minus 1 raised to 5 into m23 minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1 and m23 is equal to minus 21. a31 is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into m31 minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 and m31 is 22 is equal to 22. a32 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 5 into m32 minus 1 into 12 is equal to minus 12 and a33 is equal to minus 1 raised to 6 into m33 it is plus 1 and m33 is, so this is minus 2. This is cofactor, therefore write down the cofactor matrix. Aij is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 5. Next minus 1 22 minus 21. Next one 22 minus 12 and minus 2. It is plus 5, check here. And a22, sorry, yeah, 5 plus 14 that is 19. So it is 19. Next, question number 4. See, signs are very important. Find the adjoint of the following matrices. Find the adjoint of the following matrices. Question number 1. Now look at here. I am not solving find the adjoint of matrix of first example, that is which is a matrix of order 2 by 2. So you should try to find the adjoint of the matrix first. I am going to solve the example number 2. 2 by 2 matrix are very easy. First example you should try to solve, that is second one. 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 5 minus 2 0 minus 1. We have to find the adjoint. Adjoint means what? Transpose of our cofactor matrix. So first we find cofactor matrix. A11 is equal to 1. Then M11 This is very important calculation. M11 minus which row and which column we have to delete it. So here we delete first row, first column. So determinant is 3, 5, 0 minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 0 into 5, 0 is equal to minus 3. A12 minus 1. Therefore, M12 is equal to. Now we delete first row, second column. Minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 1. First row and second column. So minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1, that is plus 2. And here minus minus plus 10. That is 12. Next, A13 is equal to 2. Then M13 is equal to. Now we delete first row, third column. Minus 2, 3, minus 2, 0. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Minus minus plus 6. Now next, A2, 1. Minus 2. Therefore, M21 is equal to. Now we delete second row, first column. Minus 1 to 0 minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 minus 0 plus 1. A2 to 3. Then M22. Now delete second row, second column. Second row, second column. 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1, minus minus plus 4, that is 3. A2, 3, 5. Now delete second row, third column. 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0. Into 0, 0 minus it is plus 2. A31 is equal to minus 2. Then M31. Now delete third row, first column. Minus 1 to 3, 5. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. A32. 0. Therefore, M32 deleting third row, second column. 1, 2, minus 2, 5. 5 minus minus plus 4, 9. A33 last minus 1. So delete here third row, third column. 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 3. 3 minus 2. That is 1. Now find cofactor. A11 is equal to minus 1 square into M11. Minus 1 square is plus 1 and is equal to minus 3. A12 minus 1 cube into M12. Minus 1, M12 is 12, therefore it is minus 12. Now, A13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, 4 into plus 1 and M13, 6. So it is plus 6. Now, A21 is equal to minus 1 raised to 5 into M21. It is minus 5. And 1, therefore minus 1. A22 minus 1 raised to 4 into M22. 1 into 3, that is 3. A23 minus 1 raised to 5 into M23. Minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1. M23 minus 2 minus minus plus 2. A31 minus 1 raised to 4 into M31. It is plus 1 and 31 minus 11, since minus 11. A32 minus 1 raised to 5 into M32 minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1, and M32 is 9 is equal to A33 minus 1 raised to 6 into M33 is 1 is equal to 1. This is minor and cofactor. We have to find adjoint. So first we write minor cofactor matrix. Therefore, cofactor matrix is A and J, means cofactor matrix. Minus 3, minus 12, 6, minus 1, 3, 2, minus 11, minus 9 and 1. This is cofactor, but we have to ask adjoint. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix is equal to minus 3, minus 12, 6, minus 1, 3, 2, minus 11, minus 9 and 1. Minus 11, minus 12, 3, minus 10, 6, 2 and 1. This is a cofactor matrix of our given matrix. Now see next question, question number 5. That is, find the inverse of a following matrix by using adjoint method. That means here we take same procedure, but here in next example we use the formula for finding inverse. Question number 5. Find the inverse by using adjoint method. First question, if A is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So first of all, if we find the inverse, then first check whether the inverse of our given matrices exists or not. When inverse of matrix A exists, if our matrix is non-singular, then inverse of matrices exists. So first check its determinant. For checking singularity, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 into minus 1, which is not equal to, therefore determinant A not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. First check inverse, if it is exists or it is not. If an inverse of matrix exists, then matrix is said to be an invertible matrix. Now we find the inverse. So first of all, we find the inverse by using adjoint method. So here we are going to find the minor and cofactor. So first element is there, A11 is 2, therefore its minor. M11 is first row, first column, minus 1. A12 minus 1, therefore deleting first row, second column, therefore minor is 2. Now next, A21 deleting first row, second column, first column, second row, 2, therefore M21 is equal to minus 1, sorry, A21, so first column and second row, so it is minus 1. And A22 is equal to minus 1, therefore M22 deleting for second row, second column, minor is 3. Now find cofactors. A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 into M11 Therefore, minus 1 square is 1. M11 is minus 1 since it is minus 1. A12 minus 1 cube into M12 minus 1 cube minus 1. M12 is 2. That is minus 2. Next, A21 minus 1 cube into M21 minus 1 cube again minus 1. And M21 is minus minus plus 1. Next one, A22 minus 1 raised to 4 into M22. And M22 is 3. Therefore, first write cofactor matrix Aij. That is minus 1, minus 2, 1, 3. Adjoint means what? Transpose of our cofactor matrix. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 3. Therefore, by definition of inverse, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A minus 1 into adjoint minus 1, 1, minus 2, 3. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1, 2. This is inverse of our given matrix. Now check whether our inverse is correct or incorrect. So how to check inverse is correct or incorrect? So we know definition of inverse. A into A inverse is identity. So if we take product of A into A inverse and if it is identity, then you find correct inverse. So check here. Tally करो A inverse, that is 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Definition of inverse is if A into B and B into A is identity, then the matrix are said to be inverses of each other. So first row, first column, 3 into 3, 3 minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Now next, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus minus, plus 3. Second row, 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into 1, minus 2, and here minus 1, that is plus 3. 3 minus 2, 1, minus 3 plus 3, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2 plus 3, 1, which is equal to identity. So, product of A and A inverse is identity. Therefore, inverse of matrix is correct. In homework, you find the inverse of second and third matrix. So, today you have to solve example number 3, question number first, and example number 5, question number first, second and third at home. Next time we see question number 6, 7, 8 and 9.